Hello, I'm Janet Wansick, and I have the pleasure of serving as the president of Eastern Oklahoma State College. On behalf of the faculty and staff, I am happy to welcome you, and I look forward to getting to know you and to helping provide a rich array of opportunities for you to learn, to grow, and to discover how you want to make a difference in the world. As you begin your college journey, I encourage you to go forth in a spirit of exploration and adventure. Try new things, explore classes, and explore that open you to new ideas and alternative ways of thinking. After all, as Aristotle said, it's the mark of an educated mind to be able to entertain a thought without accepting it. And while we know your journey will look different due to the COVID-19 virus, it is nevertheless just as important that you take the educational steps now that will help you in the future. We will be providing a variety of class options, including face-to-face, Zoom options for the face-to-face classes, and online. We will be asking that you do your part and wear a mask while inside campus buildings. The safety of our staff, students, and faculty is important, and we want to return to campus in the safest possible way. More details about our campus plan can be found on our website. Eastern's incredibly talented faculty will be your guides and allies in your exploration. They are your greatest resource. Get to know them. They will challenge you, guide you, and open doors to new possibilities. I would also encourage you to take advantage of the opportunities outside of the classroom. While they may currently be limited, in the future, those opportunities will expand. Join a club, participate in campus events, and participate in community service opportunities. College is about more than the things you learn in the classroom. It's about the friendships you make and the experiences you have. As you set out on this incredible journey, I would invite you to consider the difference between education and training. You're likely to live many years after you graduate, during which a lot will change and in ways we don't know. Training, from the Latin to drag, to pull after, is preparation for the known. Education, to raise up, is preparation for the unknown. Preparing for a job is important, and you will find plenty of support for that. But much more important is educating yourself broadly across the range of human interest and endeavors so that you are ready for years of intelligent, informed, creative, compassionate engagement with the unexpected. Finally, I want you to know that the entire college community is here to support, sustain, and encourage you as you commit to study at Eastern. We could not be more privileged to welcome you into the learning community. It is you who make us what we are, and we look forward to the fresh ideas and energy you bring to our campus. I speak for the entire faculty, staff, and student community of Eastern Oklahoma State College in saying we are so happy you have made the decision to join us. Welcome.